It's on the bottom here. I don't see
Phil.
anything over there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shoot. Oh, it's up here too. And over here. Okay. Shoot. I didn't have anything with me. Okay. It's on the inside. Yeah. Okay. Maybe the nozzle's not tight enough? Because that's like, when it's pink like that, and it's, I mean, that's new. That's like,
Oh, wow.
that's very new. Okay. All right, well, let's get it running and then we'll do that.
Yeah, the first thing I saw was the pink line there.
Yeah, it's not good. Not good. That's bright pink like that. It's just alright, but bleeding it is really easy. Get yourself a bucket or a jug. Get a little tube. So some sort of tubing in it. Come on. Come on. It's in there for a while, it absorbs it and gets the.
I grabbed two from my old fish tank. I was curious how big it. There's a. They said a 3/8 wrench on the.
Yep. 3/8. Oh my god. It's right there. I'm about to cut it all. I'm gonna get all of it. This is not supposed to. There we go. All right. Almost. All right. There we go. All right. Okay.
It's a bigger tube. So there's got to be a tube that fits a 3/8 maybe.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't. Oh my god. It doesn't quite fit on the. You don't have to get it up on that point. But just so. All right. 3/8. Tube on. Usually want to put it on first. Oh, that's fantastic. That's one reason I want to keep it in there all the time. There we go. Alright, put it on first because I'm probably leak out.
Got you.
Alright. 3/8. Just gotta do a little bit. And then if you've got enough, it'll do it. You can put it on the.
I've got the thermostat cranked up to 80.
Cool. Alright. And then we just. A lot of air, and you want it to get a nice, steady pink color.
So you just push that button right there on top.
Yeah. And if it's flashing, you only have to hit it really quick. If it's solid, it means it's on a hard lockout, and you gotta hold it for 4 or 5 seconds.
Gotcha.
Hold it longer. All right. So a lot of air. That's a lot of air. All right. And sometimes you do have to do it twice. I've had to do it 3 or 4 times sometimes, depending on like how long the line is and all that.
Just like the video I was watching.
There you go. You want it like that. And then usually you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to cut stuff off. Switch. Nice. So we're gonna be just very delicately. Very delicately. There we go. And ignition. Alright. Ooh. Fantastic.
Oh,
Yeah. Now.
I just got to buy a bigger tube.
Yeah.
I just found this before you drove up.
Oh, that, yeah. I try all kinds of things, man. Alright, now. Glad you have it. Because you definitely have one that's active, current. And I don't see anything coming right now, but I'm gonna watch it for a second.
Okay.
Look at everything already now. It was up here even, which is really concerning. Waiting till something drops. It's right here even. Usually if it's that far, you got it. You got the nozzle not all seated right, or it's not burning everything properly, and then you got the fan kicking it everywhere. So, I mean, this is obviously paint. This is all paint that's been absorbing. Let's think of it. I don't know how that happens. But yeah, it's been happening for a while, it looks like. That's why when we come in, do anything, you're supposed to put one of those white cloths down.
Okay.
So next time you come by, someone come again and say, oh, this paint for it's really dried or it's really new. It helps you figure that kind of stuff out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time it did it, you had me hold the bottle out there on the tile floor.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Alright, it's coming out of the pump. I don't know if you can see it. You can get down here, underneath there. It's coming like right underneath there. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, so this thing here, this like cork gasket, give you a nice brown color. And as you get lower, as you get underneath it, it's like a really bright red skin color. That's not supposed to be happening. If it's tight enough, it shouldn't be absorbing really anything. But since it's not tight enough, enough oil between the crevices to be absorbed by the gas. So the gasket's doing what it's supposed to do, basically, but it's not tight enough. So we're gonna. I hope that thing is cut off.
oh,
Right here.
great. I saw a red switch.
Because when I opened it previously, it looked like there had been a bit of spillage inside. So I'm gonna look in there. Yeah, see it's here, and you can see how this is usually a little bit dirty down there, but you can see how it's wet. That's the oil, and you can even see it up here and all that. So that's from the fan throwing it around. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me go grab my stuff real quick.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.